Hello friends, welcome to TOSCA Shorts. So in this clip, I'll give you a walkthrough on the math functions which are using in TOSCA. Let's see how we are going to use this math function in the automation script. Let's get started and jump into TOSCA command. So currently I'm in the test case folder. So I'm just creating one new test case. I'm renaming it as math. So for easy visible, I am expanding it in a new folder. Okay. Yeah. So this is our test case. So in our automation, uh, I'm going to create one buffer value. Okay. So keybox set buffer. So in the value section, in the name, I'm going to give the name NAME. Okay, name it as any text. Okay, like what we can say tricentis, TRICENTS. Okay, tricentis. So this is the value and this is the buffer name. Action mode will be input. Okay, the next step I'm going to add another T box set buffer. Okay. So in the first T box set buffer, I'm creating name with the value tricentis. Okay. So in the second buffer, I'm going to call this buffer name and I'm going to apply our math function so that let's see how our automation is working. Okay. So here I am additionally using the number of occurrences string operation. Okay. So using that, I'm going to perform a small calculation using math functions. Okay. Let's see. I am renaming the buffer name as count. Okay. Like the number of occurrence string operation will give the count, right? Count of any um, account of any letter from the any buffer value, right? So using that, I'm going to perform a math function. Here, math function is can be used in a multiple ways. Okay, so it's like an arithmetic operations. We can perform using the math function, logical operations. You all know it, right? Like and or arithmetic operations like plus, minus, asterisk. So those are all are involved in the math function. Okay. So I have created a count buffer name. So here I am going to do number of number of occurrences. Okay. So I'm going to call this name using the buffer name, right? Yeah. Then so in that buffer name, I'm going to count the number of I is located. Okay, like I'm going to count the number of I's in the tricentis text. Okay, so I'm going to give I. Okay, so I can give a small I or a capital I, and I can mention ignore case. So which will ignore the case and it will dynamically count the I. Okay. And ignore case. So yeah, this is the syntax. Yeah, okay, so this will give, let's we run it. Okay, run in Scrunchbook. Yeah, it got passed. So let's check out the result here. Okay, so the name value is set to tricentist, which is a buffer value, and we are performing the count of I is 2. That's correct, right? Yeah. So here we are going to apply a math function. So how we can give open parenthesis math math and I'm going to add one count with the existing number of occurrences. Okay, number of occurrences value. Yeah. So this math function uh, performs addition of 1 with the existing count of I, okay, which is 2. The result would be 3. Okay, let's check that. I'm going to execute in Scratchbook. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's success. So I'm founding, yeah, see, the value is 3. Okay, so why are we using this math function as +1 here? Because in automation scripting, no, like we'll be using many while functions, if functions. So inside that while and if condition, looping conditions, we will provide uh, condition condition. I mean the condition parameter we will be applying it. So there, there should be no negative or the 0 values. So in that case, this math function would help a lot. Okay. So mostly, so you'll be knowing it, right? So that there we can use it, and also like we can perform a basic um, calculations. Okay, so let's see. Keyboard set. We'll try to implement a basic math function like math simple like 3 asterisk 4. Let's see. Okay, let's run this. The answer will be of 12, right? So if you see here, we can perform any arithmetic operations, logical operations in our scripting. Okay, so this is how we are using it. Okay, so you try to find some more simple or the complex calculation and try to apply in your project. Okay, if you found any issues, just comment below so that let's learn and find out the best solution. Okay, so that's all now. So if you find this session is useful, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye now.